I'm gonna go ahead and apply the acrylic and to the nail to achieve the style that I want. Put the top coat on my nose, or just bring it to life. The mommy I go say, what are you doing here? What's your name? That's what always happens. And I'm going to go ahead and reprime. So we re-moisturize the nail bed. And remember, I apply it to the natural nail. And as I said, I use Q-Touch moisturizer. I normally oiled my brush, and the reason why I oil my brush is for the acrylic not to stick in the brush. So I oil and I moisturize the fiber, and then I make a fast dip and I cleanse out the brush. And then I use and see, very smooth, so I can go ahead. When doing this, just relax. Sometimes the little studs them are hard to handle, but you just have to relax. And remember, when doing creative style, it's different from applying the acrylic naturally. So basically, because you see me start from the bottom, is to catch the cuticle properly before it start to run. Normally we would apply from the top, but you could apply from the top if you're comfortable. So I choose to do that because then I'll control the acrylic better. Okay, and then I'm going to, it's not hard, very easy. This is why I made this sync with the first one, so it can do like a 3D look kind of thing. Then I use the clear to just seal it. And continue. Oh my god, I love this green. I mix it with a little pink and a little, but at the same time have a little glam to it. Can't run you out of the office with it. I don't think it's that loud. So we have some workplaces that are very strict. So this is the finishing touch, and these are the products that I use to accomplish this look. And if you like it, like, share, comment and subscribe.